Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punza, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be making corn salad. So what that basically means is that there is corn in the salad. I've made about, I think, two salads before, and I hope you enjoyed this one. It's simple, easy to make. You can add any dressing that you want to eat, as long as it's a little bit tangy to it. There's a little tanginess to it. I'm going to make a mayo salad dressing with this. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell, so that anytime I upload a new video, you get the notification. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it.
Perfect.
So we're gonna be making a very simple and yet delicious salad. So we're just gonna put in some canned corn, a whole can of kernel corn, and then we're gonna put in some of the bell peppers, which I chose a yellow and green, which maybe I should have also put in red for a little bit of color. So you can put in any other vegetables, just choose ones that make the colors pop. And then I chose the yellow onion or the brown onion, and then I just mixed it a little bit, and then I put in some green peas. This is what I'm also saying, colors that contrast each other are good, so choose any of them. And then I put in some tomatoes, and then what I'm gonna do now is transfer into a bigger bowl, because I realized that I couldn't really mix because the bowl was too small. So I just mixed it in there and make sure that everything was all mixed up. And then after that, I just added a can of baked beans and just mixed it in there, and it just brought everything together, and it tastes amazing. So now we're gonna do the dressing. So with the dressing, I went with like a very creamy mayo dressing. So basically just use mayonnaise, some vinegar, and then I just added in some salt and pepper for a little bit of flavor. So the vinegar gives the mayo the mayo a little tang, so it tastes amazing. And then all I just did was to make sure that it was all mixed in together, and then just dish the salad into a bowl, put a little drizzle of the salad dressing, and then you eat as is. You can preserve some of the leftovers in the fridge and eat it for some few days, and it tastes amazing, guys. I hope you did enjoy this, guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell, so that you get notifications as soon as I post my videos. And guys, don't forget to follow me on all my socials. They are gonna be down in the description box and at the end of this video. And guys, please go watch all my other videos if you have not watched them, and visit my website at www.thevillagechef.co.za. And guys, I really do hope you enjoy that, and until next time, bye.